Want to make your website load insanely fast without touching a single line of code? Let's explore the caching settings inside CloudRaptor. The caching tab is designed to boost your application's performance using two powerful systems: Redis Object Cache and Nginx FastCGI Full Page Cache. First up, Redis Object Cache. This system stores database query results directly in memory, so your application doesn't have to fetch the same data again and again. Especially for WordPress sites, this can dramatically reduce load times and database usage. You can easily enable or disable Redis, check its status, view memory usage, and even see how many clients are connected. And if needed, you can start, stop, restart the service, or flush the cache to clear all stored data instantly. Next, FastCGI Full Page Cache. This is where things get even faster. Instead of running PHP every time Nginx serves fully cached pages directly to users. The result? Near instant page loads. You can enable or disable full page caching, purge the entire cache manually, and define bypass rules for dynamic pages. These rules ensure that important dynamic pages, like admin panels or checkout pages, are never cached. You can also monitor cache status, including cache size, number of stored pages, and active bypass rules. Behind the scenes, Redis reduces database load while FastCGI delivers pre-built pages instantly. The result? Faster load times, smoother performance, and a better user experience, all with just a few clicks. Try enabling caching today and see the difference.